Hello sweet friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an Ikea haul and I'm very excited about it. This is the first time I've ever been to Ikea, the very first experience I've ever had there, and I was told that I would never want to leave, and now I know it's true. We had originally intended on going to Ikea to get this bed, and you can't really see it over there in the back. There's some dressers. So we were just going to go get 2 dressers and a bed, and I'm sure you're not surprised, we ended up coming out with a little bit more than that. So I wanted to share with you some of the things that we got from Ikea, and maybe I'll do like a sneak peek of what we want to get when we go back. So our closest Ikea is in Memphis, Tennessee, which is about 3.5 hours away from us. So it was a little bit of a drive, but it was super fun. It was fun just to sort of make like a day trip out of it. And just go on like a whole day long IKEA themed adventure. So anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get to the haul. Okay, this is super random. My husband was very excited once we got to like the restaurant area that has the little market section with like all the different like food you can get. Like there's food that you can get and eat there, and then there's food that you can get like, and they have Christmas themed things. So the first thing we got was this Vintersaga. I'm probably not saying that correctly. I'm sorry, Swedes. Here's what it looks like. It looks like Coca-Cola kind of to me. It says Swedish style festive drink, carbonated malt and hops flavored beverage. So it sounds like beer, but it also sounds like Coke, but it's not beer. I have no idea what this is, but he wanted to get it for a stocking stuffer for himself. So we got this. Second thing, I think this is another stocking stuffer, is the Vintersaga milk chocolate with gingerbread crumbs chocolate. Super cute. I love the packaging on this. Isn't that adorable? Like the little houses and the little dog and the gingerbread guy. I bet this is gonna be really good. Like gingerbread crumbs in a chocolate bar. Oh my goodness. I think those are the only 2 things that we got for like Christmas stocking stuffer things, but that place is good if you need stocking stuffers. My dear friend Jillian she asked me to pick this up for her, and then of course I ended up getting some for us as well. It's the lingonberry jam. She said it's like cranberry but better, and I love cranberry. We tried their lingonberry, they have like just lingonberry juice that you can get, and lingonberry slushies. Apparently lingonberry is like the it thing that you get in Sweden. So we got some lingonberry jam as well. Looks really, really good. I'm really excited to try this out. So that was all of the like food things that we got. Going into a couple of the house items that we got, we have these little tea towels. I like that this one's like a blue, like a steely blue and white, and they're cotton, but they're woven kind of like linen, and then this one's green and white. So super simple, but I like the checkered square pattern on it. And this came in a pack of 4, I believe, and it was like maybe $4 or something. It might have been even cheaper. It might have been like $2 for a pack of 4, and we got 2 of them. And then we got rid of most of our other dish towels, so that we just have one uniform set of dish towels that will like look nice next to each other. Hopefully they won't get stained. I know it's hard with dish towels and cooking and stuff, and I know that white ones get stained really easily. So we'll probably be using a lot of OxyClean on these, but I thought they were super cute and like all seasons, and they go well in our kitchen, and they were cheap. Our next item that we have is this fun little toy. This goes into Christmas as well. It's just this cute little mallet. It comes with a little wooden mallet. Ooh, the lighting, there we go. It has just little pegs in it, and our kids can just like hammer the pegs in. Joseph loves putting things together. He loves taking them apart. So anything that involves tools, I feel like will be something that he will love. And I think we got this for him as like a big stocking stuffer that you can just put in the old sock. It'll be really fun. The next item that we got, a couple of them are gone because we already took them out. I'm already using them, but I just have a couple more left that are in here. We got some glasses, I think from Walmart, and then we put them in the dishwasher, which was our first mistake, because now they're all scratched and etched, and like it traps crumbs and stuff in the bottom because they're all scratched up. And it's really disgusting, and they look terrible. They look like we're giving you like a cloudy glass every time that people come over to our house. We got these. These were $6 for a whole set of 6 cups. They're really pretty. Hang on, let me see if I can. Like, I know this is super boring, so if you don't like these kinds of videos, totally not offended if you just want to move on from this. They're these really nice, like, thick glass cups, and they're a really good size. Like, it's not like a juice glass, but it's not a full tumbler where you're like, oh, it's really big. And I really thought it was cool. I feel like most of the Ikea stuff is really good quality, and it's just nice and simple and plain, which I'm liking more and more these days. And it's just kind of where I'm at right now, you know? You get to a certain point in your life, you just get excited about glasses and tea towels and really simple stuff that you need for your home. So we got these cool glasses. Our last item, this I was really excited about. We walked through, like, if you've ever been to an Ikea, the first section of it is all just like rooms that are just all set up like real houses basically. You can see all of their furniture and different items set up and sort of posed in a way that like you could set it up in your house. So we walked through that, which is really long, and there's a whole maze that you go through there. And then they have different showrooms of like tables and couches and chairs and all this stuff. And they have a whole space of like kid things, and then you get into the restaurant, and then there's the marketplace that has all of the stuff in it that you can buy, like their lighting and plants and all these different things. And then like the storeroom with all the actual furniture boxes in it. So we walked all the way through to the kids section, so basically right before the end, and then walked through the rest of it, and then decided to go back to the kids section. We had to like walk through half of the store and go back, but I'm really glad we did, because we ended up getting this adorable little kid walker. I think like 1-year-olds and up can use it, and we used to have one like a regular just little kid walker that was plastic, but the like wheels were all marked up, and it's just one of those toys where it's so bright and vibrant that, at least for me, I like really calm neutral colors in my house, and it was not a calm neutral color, and it just sort of like sets me off or makes me feel like my house is messier when there's like 1 or 2 big toys that are really brightly colored. So I love that there's this option of like this very neutral colored white, green, and I think this is just plain like pine wood. And yet it's still a fun toy for them, and they can like put toys inside it and push it around. I told my husband that I think Joseph, our oldest son, will probably just push our little son Blaze around in here, but we'll see. It'll be funny if that happens, and also a little scary. We'll deal with that when it comes. But anyway, the wheels also adjust so that you can like make them more, like slow them down basically by making them a little harder to turn, which I really like that feature, especially when they're first starting to walk, so it doesn't just like slide out from under them. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Besides that, oh, let me show you. Okay, there we go. This is the bed that we got, and our dresser, just this nice sort of like plain pine wood dresser and bed. I want to do a house tour soon. Maybe let me know down in the comments if that's something you want. It'd be fun to like show all of our friends back at home that are around what our house looks like. Anyway, that was everything that we got from Ikea. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was sort of, there wasn't a whole lot, and they weren't the most interesting items, but I was thinking maybe like next time that I do thrift store shopping or whatever, maybe I'll do a haul like that, because I just love to see like what people sort of curate in their homes as they go on with their lives. And it was just fun to film this for you guys. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. First stop at Ikea. A chair to nurse my baby. We made it to the cafe though. We made it in there first. We tried their hot dog, recommend. Tried their icy, also recommend. And their mix of sparkling pear, sparkling raspberry, sparkling lemonade drink. Yes, we put them all in the same cup. It was wonderful. It's been a good day. All the kitchens. That's what it's gonna look like.
Looks good. That's great.
We came, we saw, we conquered. Somehow we fit everything in. 1.5-hour drive home. Fingers crossed. Goodbye IKEA flags. Goodbye IKEA store.